qualities do you look for in a customer success leader?
I think leader is the key word. If you're starting a customer success organization from scratch, you have to be driven. You have to be able to stand up for what you believe in. You have to be able to communicate. You have to be able to fight for what's right and make sure that the rest of the company sees what you're doing as just as important as everything else. If you're an established company, you need to be able to play politics and do all that stuff that any other leader in any other part of the company would do. If you are looking at customer success as something that's like, let's just make our customers happy, like that kind of approach is not going to get you the needed respect in the company to be able to take this thing and run with it and make it a viable part of the business. Customer success is a business function. I look at it as a growth engine. This is a should be a revenue generating piece of the business. We're not here as a joke. We're not here as just some window dressing on the company to make it look like we're customer centric. A leader needs to be able to come in and say basically what I just said to the CEO, to the executive, to the board, and be able to back that up with facts and data and all that stuff. Anything less than that is not a leader.
In the early stages, as a leader, maybe one more quality is to be willing to be hands-on, because you're not going to have a team. And seriously, that's not for everyone. Some of us, been there, done that, don't want to be support onboarding, account management, and like doing everything at once while thinking about the framework, the playbooks, hiring. It's hard. And so it's not for the faint of heart. But I'll talk a little bit about what happens in that stage and what kind of mindset you should really be having and what you should be focusing on. You should be a leader first and foremost. Now, I have seen leaders, and I've had the pleasure of working with a lot of different executives, and I've seen where some of those leaders shine better than others or make more progress than others. And I think I can distill some of these skill sets that they have that was a little different than others. And one of the things that I've noticed that outperforming leaders in the customer success are the ones that could articulate things in a very clear framework and really articulate their vision very well in a structured way, and then being able to execute against it and show value, meaning they knew how to set up the right KPIs, which is key performance indicators or metrics, measure them before so that they can show the impact after, and choose the right ones.